Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a very important English word. The word is always. Always is a simple word. It means something happens every single time. It never stops. It happens again and again. When we say always, we mean all the time, not just once or twice. Let me explain more. Always means every time without missing. If something happens always, it happens today, tomorrow, and every day. It never changes. Here are some examples. The sun always rises in the morning. My mom always makes breakfast. I always brush my teeth before bed. Dogs always wag their tails when they are happy. These things happen every time. Always shows a habit. A habit is something you do again and again. If you always do something, it becomes your habit. For example, if you always say thank you, being polite is your habit. Now let's compare two words. Always and sometimes. Always means every time. Sometimes means only a few times, not all the time. The sun always shines during the day. But it rains only sometimes, not every day. Do you see the difference? Let's look at positive sentences. I always eat breakfast. She always smiles. We always help our friends. They always play in the park. These sentences show good habits that happen all the time. Now negative sentences. He does not always watch TV. I do not always eat candy. She does not always wake up late. These sentences tell us something does not happen every time. We often use always with action words. We say always eat, always go, always brush, always play, always sleep, always study. These are common ways to use the word. Be careful with common mistakes. Do not say, I always am happy. Say, I am always happy. The word always comes before the action word, but after the word am, is, or are. Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, practice always makes you better. Keep learning new words with Wordscience. See you in the next lesson.